Hi, this is AKC12. In this video, I'm going to show you how to modify the F-Zero GX Boost Fire Color using CHMCL's Unity tool, which sort of simplifies the process, so you don't need to learn how to hex edit and all that. So I'm assuming you already have the root folder prepped or extracted from the ISO file. So first you want to go to root. And then if you want to adjust a custom booster's colors, then you would go to vehicle parts and select any of the, sorted by type. Yeah, parts underscore BST. You can copy and paste any of these files over instead if you want to do a custom booster instead. But since in this video we'll be doing Blue Falcon, we'll be going to the vehicle folder instead. There are 3 files you need to copy over. The B Falcon ones over here, .arc, and vehicle SEL.arc. So I'll go ahead and copy them. And then I'm going to go to the GXBand folder so I can extract the files from these files. So I will put them into the input folder first. And then you want to run the unpack batch file over here. And then if you go to the output folder, here are the files that are now unpacked or extracted. So I'm going to move these files over. Let's place them over here. I'll just make a new folder here. I'll just call it demo. And this is the Unity folder containing the tool or project with the booster fire editor. So next you want to open up Unity, which I already have open here, but when you open it up, you'll see this window when you open it, and you want to select this folder over here at the top. If I provided you the folder, that is. So GXBoostFireColorEditor, then F-Zero GX Stage Editor Master. So you would select that, and then this, and if you receive the folder from me, you'll see all these files. I removed Blue Falcon to demonstrate how to do this from scratch, so it should be after bfang or before bfang, but it's not there. Alright, so but if you did not receive the folder from me, then the first step to get this FMI import export to appear is you right click on this part of the screen over here, hover over create, FZGXIO, and then you click on FMI import export. This will create the import export portion of this. But since I already have one, I'm just going to delete it. Alright, so now on to importing the FMI file. So first we need to select the source path. So in this case it will be within the demo folder. I place any of these folders in. We could select any of these folders because the FMI files in them are identical. And then you want to select the B Falcon folder and click on select. And this for this import path folder, you need to select this path over here. So let me show you in case you don't have this set up yet. So you click on browse, you go to assets, GameCube, games, F-Zero GX, file structures, and select this folder here. And then under export settings, most likely this file name will be completely empty for you at the moment. So if you're going to adjust Blue Falcon's FMI file, you need to type this in. And then whenever you adjust a different machines or booster parts FMI file, you need to type in the proper file name over here. And then we will also set up the export path right away. So it'll simply be this assets folder within the Unity folder that we are working with. Alright, with that we are now ready to import the FMI file for Blue Falcon. So I'll just click on import up here. And there it is. And as you can see, I already made some adjustments to this file. I should have used a brand new one, or I thought I did, but I guess not. So most likely you'll see only this, and if you're grabbing it from the vanilla file, you'll see blue over here or green or vice versa. But yeah, as you can see here, you can adjust the colors to your liking over here. So just click and select the color you want. I'll select a slightly different one. Let's make it more red this time. And then I need to do the same thing for the other boost fire for Blue Falcon, unless you want to mix it up. If you want the same exact color, then a simple way to do that is to click on this little button over here, and then just click on the color you want it to copy. And there it is. And I'll make this a lighter color and do the same thing here. And then you have the option of adjusting the size of the fire, where it says scale 1 and scale 2. I think 12 is a perfectly fine size, but if you double it or something like that, then it'll be like a lot larger and not really match up. But if that's what you want to do, then feel free to adjust it that way. And then you can also add additional boost fires into a machine. So to do that, you first want to change the count fire over here from its current number to whatever number you want. So I'll just add one more. And then I need to adjust it over here as well. And once you do, it'll create a new pair, a new set of boxes over here. But now you need to adjust the position. So these X, Y, and Z, that's the position of the fire. For the new one I created, just simply copied the one above it. So the Y and Z positions is okay already. So we just need to adjust the X position. So the first one over here is negative 0.6. The other one is positive 0.6. So we'll just set this to 0, which will be perfectly in the middle. And then let's change the color to make it different. Let's make it bright yellow, or maybe more of a goldish color. And let's make the center one larger, so let's make this size 16. Alright, once you made the changes you want, you probably want to make changes to the other FMI files for the different machines, but whenever you're done with one, you need to do this step next. So you go back to FMI import export and click on export. And now we want to go to this assets folder here where the FMI was exported to. Oh, the wrong one. So B Falcon date modified of right now. So we know this is the modified FMI file based on that. So next we want to copy it. And then we will go back to the, well, I moved the file right, so Alright, so let's go back to that demo folder. Let's copy and paste these over so we can repackage them. Alright, so now we want to then grab the FMI file from this assets folder here. And paste them here in these 3 folders. So for this vehicle folder, you find the one for Blue Falcon and replace the file here. And then you do the same for the other B Falcon folders here. Vehicle, B Falcon. And this one as well. Now, just to be safe, I would recommend deleting any extra files here that you don't need anymore. So I'll do that right now, because it kind of messed me up last time, I think. Alright, now you're ready to repackage these files, so go to the pack batch file here, double click it, and now these files are ready to be replaced within the root folder. So let's go ahead and copy that, and let's go to the root folder. I'll be using this folder here, and it's within vehicle. Paste them here, and now you open up GCR Rebuilder to create the ISO file. So once you have that open, you go to root, open, nope, this PC, then documents. This might be different for you, of course. Alright, sorry about that. So for me it was this GX story testing. Select the root folder. Then you want to go ahead and save it. You can save it as a brand new ISO file or replace the one you already made if you're updating one. Then you go to root and rebuild and wait about a minute or so. Alright, so the ISO file has been created with the adjustments we made. So all there is left is to run the game and see how it looks. I believe it's this one over here. Yep. So the left and right booster should be reddish color while the center should be a golden yellow color. And we should be able to find out right on this start menu here. And that looks like the changes I made. I was going to do a quick demo, but my controller wasn't working for some reason. But yeah, there you have it. That's how you adjust the BoostFireColor and F-Zero GX with this handy Unity tool. I know it's quite a lot of steps and there might be an easier way of doing it, but this is the way that has worked for me. Hope you found this helpful and have a good one.